Hello friends, in today's video I will discuss on the world's largest, biggest, smallest, longest and highest buildings, places and different other things. So let's get started. And the first thing is the largest airport by size. Is King Fahd International Airport, which is in Daman, Saudi Arabia. Okay, the highest airport in the world is Bangra Airport, Tibet, now in China. The tallest building is Burj Khalifa, Dubai, United Arab Emirates, which is 828-meter tall. Okay. And the largest bay is Hudson Bay, which is in Canada. The longest Big Sea Canal is Suez Canal, linking Red Sea and Mediterranean Sea. And the busiest canal ship is Kiel Canal. Kiel, that is Kiel Canal. Okay. The longest epic is the Mahabharata. Largest diamond is the Cullinan, South Africa. And the largest island is Greenland. Largest mosque in the world is Masjid al-Haram, Makkah. Largest delta is Sundarbans in India. Largest desert is Sahara Desert, which is in Africa. Okay. The largest lake is Caspian Sea. Deepest lake is Baikal Lake, which is in Siberia. The highest lake is Titicaca, Bolivia. Largest lake freshwater is Lake Superior, USA. Largest coral formation, the Great Barrier Reef, Australia. Largest continent, Asia. Smallest continent, Australia. Largest country in population is China. Largest country in terms of area is Russia. Longest dome is World Peace Monument Dome, Pune. Tallest minar, freestanding, is Great Hassan II Mosque, Casablanca, Morocco. The largest city in population is Tokyo, Japan. And the highest city is Wenchuan, Tibet, China. Largest city in population is Tokyo, Japan. And the longest bridge is the Nanyang Kunsan Grand Bridge, China. Largest dam, concrete, is Grand Coulee Dam, USA. Highest dam, Jimping Dam across River Yalang, China. Highest state dam is Bhakra Dam. We have the next point, highest capital city, La Paz, Bolivia. Highest Asian desert is Gobi, which is in Mongolia. Largest democracy is India. India is the largest democracy. Biggest whale is Great Whale at Moscow. Reptile which changes its color is chameleon. Most intelligent animal is chimpanzee. Highest volcano is Ojos del Salado Andes, Argentina, Chile. 6,893 meter. Okay, largest volcano Mauna Loa, Hawaii Island. Longest wall is Great Wall of China. Highest mountain peak in the world is Mount Everest, which is in Nepal. Highest mountain range in the world is Himalayas, which is about 2500 kilometers. Longest mountain range is Andes Central, South America. Biggest museum is British Museum London. Highest waterfall is Salto Angel Falls, Venezuela. The longest gulf is Gulf of Mexico. Deepest and biggest ocean is the Pacific Ocean. Largest peninsula is Arabia. Largest palace is Imperial Palace, Gogong, Beijing, China. Largest park in the world is National Park, which is in Greenland. And the largest archipelago is Indonesia. Okay, so friends, that's all for today's video. See you in the next video. If you like it, then please share and subscribe. Thank you.